Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, everyone. It is the 21st of April, 2021. I want to take a look at Cardano here. Just got done writing my article on this and going to be quoting it fairly verbatim, but not quite. Pay attention to what's going on here. And also just want to say that I'm a permabull when it comes to Cardano. I have a, decade plus outlook on this. And so my perspective of a market that's going to fall is one where I get excited because I want to get in cheaper. People who have short-term time horizons probably get upset when people say they're going to short something they like, or if you're even talking about lower prices. For me, I think it's good. I still think we could move up higher from here, but at the same time, I think it's important to take a look at what the risks are to the downside. So first off, take a look at the percent B down here. It's crossed below 0.8. That by itself doesn't really mean anything because there's something else that needs to occur for that to be a trigger worth of notice. And that is if the RSI is above 40. So if we get the percent B to cross down below 0.8, especially if it's been in a prolonged period above that level, that's a big deal. And then the RSI is above 40. It's at 73.43 right now. So it just came out of an overbought condition. I know some people are probably thinking, well, level 70 is the overbought. It's not. This changed about 15 years ago. The overbought conditions when something's in a bear market are 80 and 90 in the RSI, not 70. So it just came out of the overbought conditions. The first support level, that exists for the first oversold condition in the RSI when something's in a bull market is at 65. So we still have to come down there to test. And then the one below, the next oversold level is at 55. I'm sorry, 45 to 55 and 45 are the oversold levels. So 55 is always down there yet. Are we going to come down a lot? I think so. I don't really know how far. Nobody does. But that's why I've identified the support zone at between 84 cents and 94 cents. It's a pretty good zone because it really shares a collection of support levels. First is the 382 Fibonacci retracement level at 86.45. Then we have the weekly Kijun Sen, which is at 82.86. And then we have a high volume node in there too, around the 90 cent value area. So there is a lot of strong support structure inside of here, but below that, there's really nothing. Oh, additionally, that price range gets us pretty close to the 50% wipe from the all-time high. So there's that in there too. But I mean, we could go a little nutty and see it just really fall through all of that support and head all the way down to the very attractive, like a magnet Fibonacci retracement level of 1618, which brings us all the way down to like 11 or 12 cents. I don't think that's very likely, but you never know. It really could do that. It could just go and pile down that far. I don't know what event would generate that. Probably nobody does. But we're more than likely going to see a return down to the 80 to 90 cent range. One other thing, this old maxim in the stock market, volume precedes price, it's a saying that basically says, so if something has been trending higher or if it's been consolidating and the volume continues to decrease over time, then it's not very long after that. Well, I guess there's really not a time frame. It's more or less just thinking of it's an early warning sign that lower prices are coming. That's not always the case, but in this case, it does look like that. Looks like we will see some further downside pressure all around for Cardano. Thank you all for watching. I look forward to speaking with you in our future videos. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.